Hi guys, it's Ashley at Hair Adventures, your favorite protective style and wellness coach, and I'm back with this video. How I use praying and fasting as a tool to supernaturally push me into greatness. Before my praying and fasting life, I felt like I was doing everything right and doing everything on my own. And what I realized is that some stuff was going pretty well. I still knew God. I was in, I was in my word. I was reading my Bible and things like that. And so I still knew some things that I need to do that were correct and right according to God, right? And then after a while, I started getting off track, like meeting certain friends of friends and being at different events and not realizing that you could be at the right place at the wrong time and meet the wrong people in the right place. And what I'm saying about that is that, good intentions initially going to the event, but just meeting the person that could derail and take you away from your life, right? And so when I came into the praying and fasting journey, which is now a part of my lifestyle, God started to reveal a lot of things to me of how I even got to rock bottom, of how I made certain choices and decisions, that were not of God, and how I got derailed. And I was trying to figure out how I lost my passion and why it's taking me so long for certain things, or why I couldn't be consistent with what I'm trying to build, how come I'm so easily distracted, and all of these things. And through praying and fasting, what was revealed to me is that I came in contact with someone who transferred their demons to derail me and basically mess with my soul, my mind, will, and emotions, right? My soul. And so when that happens, I'm not the same Ashley that was building and doing all of these things, because now I have intertwined with someone else and their thinking and how they do stuff because of the connection that I had with them. And while that may not sound realistic to a lot of people, I know it is for me. And I pay so much attention to my body and always have, that I know when things are off. I know when things are not right, or when things are seeming a little bit funny. And so that's what made me turn to praying and fasting and doing something different than what I'm used to doing to get different results. Because doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result, is insanity. So instead of doing that, let me do something completely different that I have never done before to be able to yield different results. And so that was revealed to me, and I started to be like, well, who and what and when? And so as I started looking back at my life and seeing different situations and different people I met, and thinking about the scenarios of, the interactions that we had, I was like, whoa, now I see how I got off track, and how these things delayed me and derailed me from reaching my purpose. Why I wasn't able to be. I'm thinking it's just something, that's just me. I struggle with being consistent. No, it's not just you. Nothing happens by accident, nothing is a coincidence. Okay, so that means that someone else's demons, if you will, have came and tried to overtake my life, and that's why I couldn't be who God called me to be. So in order for me to get back on track to the assignment and purpose that he has for my life, for the people that I'm supposed to encounter to elevate me where I'm supposed to be, I have to pray and fast those demons off of me and out of my life. Break those strongholds, break those soul ties, so that I can reach my God-given destiny, because God created me with a purpose, on purpose, and he also created me with a plan for my life, according to Jeremiah 29:11. And so I cannot reach the plan and receive the gifts and the blessings and the promises that God has for me, living in the kingdom of darkness, or being someone I'm not, or having this trauma or demons connected to me that he didn't even give me. And so I need to walk in authority and know whose I am, in order for me to receive what God already has, just waiting for me to unlock it. This is nothing that I gotta go fish for. It's nothing I need to pray much about. It's already just waiting for me to step into it. And so if you believe in God for something, if you feel like you derailed, if you got delayed or slowed up in some area, or you're not feeling like yourself and you're not sure where it came from, you need to pray and fast, seek God, and ask God to reveal to you what it is so you can break that soul tie, break that stronghold, and receive all that God has for you. I hope this video was helpful. Comment below if you ever felt like somebody or something or someone or a situation just took you off your A game. You've been trying to get it back. I would love to hear from you.